Today, the world has become a global village as everyone is looking for cutting-edge technology solutions for convenience and global reach. We help companies and individuals to achieve what they desire through modern technology solutions. Therefore, IncisiveSoft provides comprehensive enterprise software, web, and mobile apps development services, which help businesses to flourish rapidly. From small website to complex enterprise solutions, our experienced professionals have a proven track record of delivering high-quality services in a proficient manner. We also have a range of cloud-based enterprise products like ERP, HRM, CRM, and EPOS targeting SMBs, small and medium businesses around the globe. Our state-of-the-art ERP not only covers all the essential business processes like sales, purchases, inventory, manufacturing, and accounting effectively, but also it's extremely user-friendly and cost-effective as well. Whether you are looking for a highly responsive and interactive web or app development service, or trying to expand and strengthen your business with the most advanced cloud-based enterprise solution, we are here to make your dream come true rapidly in a cost-effective way. We are one of the leading remote staffing solution providers, which not only give you access to the best IT talent around the globe, but also save thousands of dollars through reliable outsourcing. Contact us today to have a free consultation with the best quote for your IT or IT-enabled services need.